Okay, bitch. Cause I've been doing this shit for too fucking long. I'm ready to be done. Hey y'all, so jumping right into the video, I ordered this wig off of Amazon by the brand Memore. This is their short bob wig with a 4x1 T-part lace closure, and I got it in 10 inches. I will leave the wig details down below in the description box for those of you looking to purchase it, but I'm first going to just unbox it for you guys just so you can see how the wig comes straight out the pack. The lace on the wig definitely can use some work, but you'll see how I finesse that later on. And here I'm just showing you the 4x1 T part, and it also has wig combs placed around the perimeter of the wig. This wig does come with a mini instructions book which just tells you how to wash, wear, and care for the wig. It also comes with a net wig cap, which I probably won't use, and a pair of lashes. To begin the install process, I'm just taking some rubbing alcohol on a cotton round and cleaning off any excess dirt from around the hairline. Next, I'm applying a tan wig cap, and y'all should know what's next, but I'm just cutting holes in the wig cap where my eyes and ears are. And to secure the wig cap, I'm going to be taking my Got To Be Glued freeze spray and spraying it on the front of my hairline. And once I do that, I use my blow dryer and dry it down for about 5 minutes before I add another layer of the freeze spray and dry that down again. Of course, I'm not just going to leave it like that, so I'm cutting off the excess cap, getting as close as possible to my hairline. So I ended up switching between scissors and an eyebrow razor. Just a disclaimer, please be careful cutting your wig cap, especially with the eyebrow razor, because I in fact did cut myself while doing this. After I finished cutting off the excess cap, I took another cotton round with rubbing alcohol just to clean off any leftover Got To Be Glued spray and also to go over my cut. I know I probably shouldn't use rubbing alcohol, but I used it anyway. Next case. Now to blend the cap in with my skin, I just use some liquid foundation and apply it to the front of the wig cap, and then I drag it down the middle since the wig has a middle part. For my first time doing the ball cap method, I think I did a pretty great job. So I washed the hair off camera, and this is how it looks after it's been air dried. And I just wanted to show you the parting of the wig. I absolutely hated it, especially because on one side you can clearly see the tracks, and that's not cute, but the hair is still nice though. I went ahead and straightened the wig, and this is how it looks, and for a more natural looking part, I just pluck it to my liking. Just like my wig cap, I take my foundation and add it directly to the back of the lace part on the wig. Don't ask y'all, but I did mess up my wig cap, so I had to do it all over again. So now I'm about to install the wig, and I'm not gonna lie, it was tricky since this was my first time. So next, all I did is try to make the part a little bit more straighter before I glued the wig down. For the glue, I'm going to use the lace glue from my first wig because I heard it was good, so I just had to try it. And remember, this is my first official wig install, so I'm just gluing my wig down how it makes sense in my head. I know I used entirely too much glue for my first layer, but don't judge me. I went ahead and added another layer of the lace glue after I attempted to dry the first layer, and since it was so much glue, it took too long to dry, and I'm impatient, so I laid down the lace anyway. So after it set for, I would say 10 to 15 minutes, I just clipped my hair back and cut off the lace in the front. And honestly, y'all, before I started, I really couldn't decide if I wanted to cut the lace before or after I glued it down. So since it was my first time installing this wig, I just decided to cut the lace afterwards. It was kind of a struggle, but I did the best that I could do. Ooh, Chile. So you already know I had to attempt to make some baby hairs, and I'm not gonna get into the details, but this part was a little bit harder than I anticipated it. And in my opinion, it was harder than gluing it down. So I'm gonna let y'all watch for yourselves, and please don't talk about my baby hairs at the end, but I was over it after about 5 minutes, so they did what they was gonna do. If I do decide to install another wig in the near future, I'm gonna hope that it comes out way better, but after I get my baby hairs as situated as they're gonna get, I just curl the hair to my liking and that'll do it. I'm actually not mad at the outcome. I just know my next installs will be much better. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way to my next video. Also, make sure you are following me on all of my socials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!